Catering has been here since the early 90s, basically, and the thing is that it started off its life as a bar, and of course, because I'm a restaurant girl, I've sort of turned it around over the last 17 years. Because this is a corporate market here, you've got the average person that will have probably 3 glasses per shift. So if you include, say, a beer glass, a wine glass, and that might go up to 2 glasses depending if they have white or red, and of course a mineral water glass, which is big business these days. So if you, I guess, multiply 3 glasses per person, if you're doing an average of say 60 people a day, it's 100 glasses per shift. Obviously if you have ladies with lipstick, for example, you're always thinking you've got to plunge the glasses, get them into the machine, and then make sure that you're drying the edges to, remove any residue of anything, especially with fatty substances around your mouth. Of course, we are an Italian restaurant here, so lots of oil, let me just tell you, or we go to butter with the north of Italy. But of course, we don't have to do, we're not plunging anymore. Once again, that's another reason for breakage. So no plunging, straight in. And what has also shocked me is the fact that we're hardly using any detergent. Basically what happens is that you load the glasses into the machine, close the door, press the button, and they're basically done within a minute, which is just amazing because normally it would take a long time to do a normal cycle. And basically you can be anywhere in your room and you can see at what point the cycle is. Blue denotes that it's washing, green means that it's completed.
How it works. Mains water contains many different substances. These can leave a residue on your glasses and cutlery. By treating the water with the Winterhalter XS Aromatic Reverse Osmosis system, deposits are filtered through a series of filters and membranes and then passed into your glass or dishwasher. Washing with this pure water leads streak-free results with no need to polish.
As a restaurant, I only trade 5 lunches a week with a fairly, and I say I'm very privileged clientele, where we're using fairly high quality and expensive glassware. If you were saving an hour a day in polishing the glasses, and you might want to add to that cutlery because that's another big job. And as I said, most of our customers would go from a minimum of 2 to 3 courses. So that's a fair few pieces of cutlery. We put the cutlery through. So it's 1 hour in glass polishing, but also close to maybe 3/4 of an hour in cutlery polishing a day that I save. So if we give an average of 2 hours per day multiplied by 5 shifts in a week, that's 10 hours. So I can put that money to something more important for my business. So absolutely, it's a very, very worthwhile expense. When I started my career 30 years ago, if someone had told me that you can wash a glass and you don't have to polish it, I wouldn't have believed them. And I'm totally a devotee of this amazing glass washer.